Hello fellas, this is Ali with the R6. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today's video is all about the T9 and installing a charger point. If you are interested in one of these, please stay tuned and enjoy the video. As you are aware, T9s, they haven't got as standard a charger point. So I haven't been using my my bike for the last 3 weeks or so. Went to start it up the other day and I had no power, nothing at all. I do have few bits installed to it, so maybe that's what was draining the power. I've decided to charge the battery. The charger I'm using is a UK product, NOCO Genius 5. However, when you buy this kind of stuff, it doesn't come with the plugger for the bike. So I've purchased separately NOCO X Connect GC002, so eyelet connector. So I'm going to install this cable and will fit with that charger. Stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. So in order to install this NOCO eyelet connector, we need to remove the back seats, remove the front seat and get access to the battery. Removing the back seats, everybody knows, is dead easy. So you just turn the key and you pop the seats. Taking the front seat off is very tricky. For those that don't know how to remove the front seat, it's not key operational, okay? If you look at this rubber, you take that little rubber thing off, alright? If you look, there is a gap here. Now in this gap stops the lock from opening, so you need to put your finger right in there and until you feel it, right? And then you remove the seat. So I'll put the seat away. I'll show you exactly where it is. So inside here, if you see, that's my finger there. And then this is the lock. That's how you remove the front seat from here. It's a bit fiddly, but you can do it. Now this is the battery. To get access properly to the battery, we need to remove this plastic. Put it on one side. This is the negative. This is the positive terminal of the battery. All you need is a 10mm spanner and a Phillips screwdriver. So this is the plug. Okay, it does have an inline fuse, which is very good to stop the further problems if anything happens. It's waterproof. It does have a rubber cap. There you go. To connect it to the battery, you have those two eyelets. Black obviously is negative, red is positive. To fit them in is very simple. Just unscrew 2 screws, fit those through and job done. The wires are nice and snug and all out of the way. We routed the main plug through under the lock of the rear seat and seats just under the back seat. So next time if we need to charge the battery, we just take the back seat off and we plug the charger. Job done. I will show you how the charger plugs in. So now instead of using the clamps on the battery, we're going to use the plug straight away. So this, we're going to keep it just in case I need to charge the R6. And now we're going to use the plug just like that. There you go. This is the NOCO Genius 5 charger. It's a smart charger that detects automatically what type of battery we charge. So it's a 12 volt charger, but also does 12 volts lead acid, gel battery, lithium, also does the 6 volts battery. That was it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe. Alan with the R6. Until next video, ride safe, ride with me. Cheerio.